Are you interested in setting up a smart home, but don't know where to start? With so many devices and options available, it can be overwhelming to get started. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up a smart home, offering step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to get you started. Hi, I'm Luke, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up a smart home. The first step in setting up a smart home is choosing a smart home hub. This is the central device that connects all your other smart home devices and allows you to control them from one place. There are many options available, including the Amazon Echo, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Once you have your smart home hub set up, it's time to start adding devices. A great place to start is with smart lights. These allow you to control your lights from your phone or voice commands, set schedules, and even change the color of the light. There are many options available, including Philips Hue, Lifx, and Sengled. Another great addition to your smart home is a smart thermostat. These allow you to control your heating and cooling from your phone or voice commands, set schedules, and even learn your habits to automatically adjust the temperature. Some popular options include the Nest Learning Thermostat and the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Smart security cameras are another great addition to your smart home. These allow you to monitor your home from anywhere, receive alerts when motion is detected, and even communicate with people at your door. Some popular options include the Ring Video Doorbell and the Nest Cam Outdoor. There are many other smart home devices you can add to your setup, including smart locks, smart plugs, and smart speakers. The key is to choose the devices that best fit your needs and budget. And remember, you can always add more devices later as your needs change. So there you have it, our tutorial on setting up a smart home. By following these steps and choosing the right devices for your needs, you can create a smart home that makes your life easier and more convenient. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends who might find it helpful too, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. This is Luke signing off.